sisters. I love my country.
Thoughts is ability is what you are capable of doing. Motivation determines what you do. Attitude determines how well to do it. So work hard.
IMD sounds yellow alert for 11 districts on Sunday, Monday. President Ramnath calling 3 citizens on eve of Eid al-Zuha.
Did you celebrate Bakri yesterday?
Yes.
How was it? From LP section, Hanna Mariam, first position. Aishamul Ajaz, second position. Muspira Mehabub, second. Joel Manoj, third position. Abzana Jash, first position. Shifa Fatima got second position. Misriya Nawaz and Ihsan Faisal got third position. From high school section, Afa Fatima got first position, Ashna Jahan second, and Fadia Hanifa got third position. And Savitri Kish.
Respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I'm standing to talk to you. I'm not taking a speech for you. I'm just talking. Just